Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about lacrimal bone. Here you can see the diagram of skull and the green part you can see is the lacrimal bone. And we will start our topic with introduction. Lacrimal bones are the smallest and most fragile bone of the face, located in the medial wall of orbit. They play a crucial role in supporting the lacrimal apparatus which is responsible for tear production and drainage. Now let's talk about the anatomy of lacrimal bone. Lacrimal bone consists of two surfaces and four borders. And they are surfaces and borders, and we will talk about them one by one. First, we will talk about the two surfaces of lacrimal bone. The first surface is lateral surface that faces the orbit and contains the lacrimal groove which forms the lacrimal fossa when combined with the frontal process of maxilla. And the second surface of lacrimal bone is medial surface that faces the nasal cavity and contributes to the formation of middle nasal meatus. This, Now we will talk about the borders of the lacrimal bone. It has superior border that articulates with the frontal bone. It has inferior border that connects with the inferior nasal conchae and interior border that joins the frontal process of maxilla and posterior border that articulates with ethmoid bone. So it has four borders: superior border, inferior border, anterior border and posterior border, as you can see in diagram. Now let's talk about the functions of lacrimal bone. The first function is for tear drainage, as it houses the lacrimal sac which collects tear before they drain into the nasolacrimal duct. The second function is structural role, as it forms part of the medial orbital wall contributing to the eye socket stability. And the third function of it is attachment for muscle, as it provides site for the orbicularis oculi muscle attachment which helps in eyelid movement. So these are the three main functions of lacrimal bone. Moving towards the clinical significance, the first clinical significance is lacrimal bone fracture. Due to their fragile nature, trauma can lead to fracture affecting tear drainage of the lacrimal bone. Second significance is nasolacrimal duct obstruction. Blockage of the duct can cause excessive tearing and infection by the lacrimal bone. The third significance is surgical importance. It is often involved in reconstructive procedure for tear drainage issues. Now let's talk about the conclusion of our video. Lacrimal bone are essential for tear drainage and orbital structure. Understanding their anatomy and clinical relevance is crucial for medical studies and healthcare application. And this was all about the lacrimal bone. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.